G'day guys, my name is Reno and I'm from Frontrunner South Africa. I'm the brand representative. I'm the fortunate one to live all these fantastic products. Anton from Adventure Afrika magazine has contacted me and asked if we've got some kit for a Hilux RS. So I said yes, we do have. This roof rack fits on top of the roller top and you don't need to do any drilling, nothing. It's a pure bolt-on kit. Nice and easy to do. I also like to introduce to you some new products we've got. We've got a new Wolfpack Pro. Nice secure locks that won't break like the old normal clips. It is dust proof and water resistant. It also comes with a quick release system that's very easy. You can just unclip the clip here. So easy bracket like this, one each side, and there you go. You don't have to spend time with all the straps in that. I would also like to introduce you to a new 42-litre water tank that we have here. This water tank is slightly more modernly shaped. It's a detachable. You've got a quick release clip here, so you can take it off, take it to your tap. Easy to fill up, and this is my favorite part. A water extension tap that you can just open up, wash your hands, and you've got your water. Guys, that's our latest products. Easy to fit on the new RS. It's a way to go.